Hello guys! So ngayon nga pala, magbabasa tayo guys. Pero bago tayo magbasa, papakilala ko sa inyo lahat ng books. Dito muna tayo. Ito naman, A Giant. Who is the Thief? Gold Axe. Broken Alarm Clock. A Drop of Water. Gravy Jack. Lonely Fox. Waiting Farmer. Brave Mantis. Slave Crow. And lastly, Selfish Bee. So, ibabalik na natin. Ano pa? Lang. So, the second one is, ito namang mga bigay ni teacher. Kasi, di ba, nung first day of school, may binigay sa amin mga books. Ito muna. Ito ay, kaya kong magbasa. And then, ito subject ng ito. Mathematics. Yan. Naman, enjoying science and health. Ito naman, activity sheets for science. Ito naman, activity sheets for mathematics. Ito naman, gawaing pampagkatuto sa good manners and right conduct. GMRC. Ito naman, gawaing pampagkatuto sa makabansa. Ito naman, gawaing pampagkatuto sa Pilipino. Kasi Pilipino. And last naman guys, gawaing pampagkatuto sa good manners and right conduct. Conduct. GMRC. So, ibabalik na. Babalik na nga. So, pero, wala, ay, ito, tatlo na lang. Last one. Ito namang isa, 100 Bible verse. Ito namang isa, power. Hindi ko alam, power ito. Ito, nadumihan na siya guys. The courage to be this life. So, babalik ko. Pero ito guys, aalisin muna natin ito. Lalagay muna natin sa kanya. Kasi, wala tayong So, wala dun yung napili ko. Ito yung napili kong Smart Kids 100 Dawisang Bible Stories. Start na to. Pero, ito yung start. Wait lang guys. Tapos, ayun na. Pangalan niya. Smart Kids 100 Dawisang Bible Stories. So, madami tayong babasahin guys. Ito lahat. Andito si God guys. Bible to guys ha. Ito munang number 1. Yung title niya is God Creates the World. Genesis 1. Ito, babasahin ko na guys ha. Finish ka dyan. God creates the world. Genesis 1. A long, long time ago, the universe was filled with nothing. It was created a world that was beautiful and good. The Bible tells the story of how God created the world in 6 days and all the things that live on it. The beginning, God looked around him and couldn't not see anything. Let there be light. God say into the darkness. The light shined so bright. And God was able to see around him. God called the light day, and the darkness night. On the second day, God looked around and saw water all around him. God split the water right in the middle, and he called the waters above sky, and the waters below sea. Then he gathered all the water below until dry land appeared, and God called the land earth. God saw it that was good, but where was something missing? Ito naman, on the third day, God split seeds on the land, and plants of every size and color grew. There were millions of trees, sunrise, and flowers, and the earth became green and lush. On the fourth day, God once again said, "Let there be light." Twinkle lights appeared in the sky and shone above the earth. Now the sun kept the days bright and the stars. Lit up the night, God saw that it was good. But there was still something missing. May nawawala pa rin daw, guys. Pero hindi ko to lalahatin kasi 100. Ito naman pangalawa, second. The first man and woman, Genesis 3. On the sixth day, God looked at all that he created and saw that there was still something missing. Who will take care of the seeds he plant on land? Who will watch over the animals he put in the sky, land and sea? God needed someone who will take care of all of his wonderful creation. So God took dust and clay and molded a man. God named the man Adam. Pwede niya naman name. And then God let Adam name all the different creatures around him. The garden was beautiful, but he was often known. He was surrounded by God's creation, but nothing looked like him. So ito naman, God saw Adam said, "I do not want you to be lonely. I will give you a friend." Then God put the man in a deep sleep and took one of his ribs in Adam's rib. God formed another human, but Adam woke up. He was glad to see a creature that looked just like him. Adam said, "Let us call her woman, because she was made from men." They named the woman Eve. God was delighted to see that Adam was now happy with the combination. "I have made you to protect all of my creation. Grow your family and let your children help in caring for all the things of the trees in this garden." God continues and said for one, "Never eat from the tree of knowledge, or else you will die." Adam and Eve managed to follow God's order. At the end of the sixth day, God looked at all his creation. He watched as the man and the woman began their lives. Looking after all that he had made, God knew that and said, "This is good, this is very, very good." At last, God saw that his work was complete, and on the seventh day, God rested. So, bali guys, bukas na lang tong number 3, the Garden of Eden. Bukas na lang to guys. Sana magustuhan nyo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow.